Okay, now we've got all the cathodes connected. Now I need to connect all the anodes and the columns. I'm going to do that with just, I stripped this this hookup wire right here down to just copper, and I'm basically just going to be like twisting and crimping it on, and then coming back and soldering those joints with the solder iron, which I just had to go out and buy a new one.
Very cheap though.
Like $10.
Okay, well, yeah.
I didn't have time to. The alternative was to just order one online and wait a week. They didn't seem very smart. This is gonna be, this part is gonna probably get kind of ugly. It's just gonna probably be very ugly.
Kind of relying on it looking a little bit better on. I'm kind of relying for it to look better on the screen of the computer than it is recording right now, because the screen on this thing is very small. So hopefully it'll be a little bit better seeing than that.
This is going to be very creative.
I have no idea what you're doing right now.
Well, I'm basically making up a wire.
I know, I wasn't even looking. I mean, I wasn't even listening either. I'm just looking at some rocks. Very pretty rocks too.
The way it sounded like you want to know what I was doing.
Well, apparently I don't.
Wasn't very nice of you. I'm just making up these loops here. I'll kind of just squeeze over these leads and the LEDs. Solder it down. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Spin it over. Can you see this at all, Sarah?
Not really.
You can handhold it.
Alright. Give me a second. I'll be over there in a minute. I'll hop down.
Let's get this first little setup. You see, all I did was I just made loops in this one wire. Kind of slide it down as best I can.
And power should travel from wire to wire.
Something like that. Okay. And look, I want to point out it's getting really dicey because like these little areas here where you have the anode and the cathode, they're real close together. And here, and here, here. None of those can touch or it'll short circuit. So I got to really pay close attention before I close this thing up. Everything's fairly rigid, so as long as it goes in the case with nothing touching, it'll all be fine.
Alright, I'm gonna go slide this thing back on the tripod.
Now go ahead and get a close up of this first set.
Alrighty.
I'll solder it, and the rest of them are going to be about the same. One thing about this cheap solder iron here, it's a 40 water and it's not adjustable, so it's running really hot. I mean, it is doing a fine job, but I can't adjust the heat down. But I ain't wasting any time. Actually, I think I like it better than the other one that I was using. Yeah, that's done.
That was quick.
Yeah, the whole row's done already.
Alright, I'm going to set it back on the tripod.
The joints are good.
And we will do the rest on the tripod. Hopefully.
Is it aimed at me right now?
No.
If you don't know where it's aimed, you can stop the recording, Sarah.
I know.
Because otherwise I'll have to go through and help me out with the editing a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So now is it aimed on me?
Yes.
Okay. And now you see I'm just going through and clipping these anode leads down after I solder them. What's that noise?
It was I was just shutting it on and off to make a different clip. Remember you said about 5 minutes each?
Okay.
I turned it back on.
Okay. I don't, you might not heard me just now, but after I soldered, I just went through and clipped off the leads to all the anodes. So make them, that's not too messy there.
Just right.
Let's see, for this next one, we need 1, 2, 3. 3 on the loop. Just make a twist on your needle nose. You can guesstimate the next one. Make a twist. And guesstimate the next one. And make a twist. And after that last one, I'm leaving a pretty good bit of slack because I'm going to make a hookup. That's where I'm going to make the hookups to the Arduino. So I'm leaving a nice little bit of slack to work with there. And then just come in here and drop it on the LEDs. And keep it kind of high to clear the other leads, but not so high that it's going to stick out the back too far. So knock these down. I'm going to put a little squeeze on each joint. Or not. I don't think that helps. Good. Okay, the next one I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will always be the max. Strip me off a little more hookup wire.
You gotta buy some more expensive ones.
No, these are good. It's just you're stripping off so much insulation. It's not real easy. thing, just making loops.
So for now, do you want to do a time lapse on this?
Tell you what, why don't you go ahead, stop the video right there.
Okay.
Because I think that's why I wanted you to get a close-up on that first set. Because I knew after that it'd be the same thing over and over. So I don't need to keep explaining it, you know. This is actually not that bad here.
Coffee?
You know what, Sarah? That would be awesome.
Okay.
I really appreciate it. You sure the camera's set good?
Yep.
Okay.
I will be back.
Okay, we're back, and I'm just gonna finish. Got two more columns, I should say, of anodes to tie in together.
Yay! So shall we go into time lapse?
I don't know if we're gonna do that or not.
Problem is, we had originally gonna do the time lapse whole thing, but the camera ran out of memory, so part of it may be cut off. This, you may have not seen part of this that
You're not
he did.
missing much, don't worry.
So, oh well.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They both have 5.
Just tell me if you want me to go into time lapse.
Do you know how to do it?
Well, you know what I mean.
Right.
Do it into a different clip.
What are you gonna do? Make some weird noises or something?
Alright. Want me to?
No.
I don't mean noises. You want me to make a different clip for time lapse.
No, I'm probably not even gonna do time lapse, to tell you the truth.
Okay.
Because I didn't think the other one went that good.
So are you just gonna cut the other one out?
No.
Okay. So part of it will be time lapse.
I just didn't think it was very interesting. I just think we'd be better off just leaving it as is. Because we're so interested. We're some interesting people anyway. Right?
Yep. Well, is this gonna be near the end of the episode?
What, right here?
Yeah. Whenever you finish this, are you gonna call it an episode?
Yeah.
Alright, so basically you don't have to watch this episode. Oh, hold on. I forgot to plug in my camcorder. That might resolve to a problem. Later. Alright, let's see, plugs in on the outside. Great. How am I gonna get up here? Okay. Camera's gonna be a bit shaky for a second. Because it doesn't want to open.
I kind of messed up that last piece of wire. Made it way too big.
Open! Camera's still on you, but this thing does not want to open. Okay, I'm having some problems with plugging this thing in. not want to open. Oh well, I'll just leave it for later.
Take a look at it after finish soldering.
Okay. Well, we have time. The battery's pretty much fully charged, so
Alright, we won't worry about it then.
we'll go ahead and just finish this clip.
Okay.
Okay, that's been pretty nice. Man, I wish this thing could go a bit higher. Taller.
Hey.
I know.
Is it on my legs?
No. I'm mostly keeping, most of the time you can only see your hands.
Okay.
And I'm kind of surprised you don't have any pants here.
Would you hush?
Well, then what are you going to wear tomorrow?
They're in the wash.
Ah, okay. Pretty sure if anybody's even watching this video, they probably would have skipped to the next video already.
Well, you don't think this is some of the most interesting thing that's ever been shot before?
I know.
I think this is fascinating stuff.
It's kind of a mystery why people skip through some of this stuff.
I know, this is great. Ow. Especially the part where I burned my fingers now. That was awesome.
Yay! I love that part. This is probably going to be my favorite part of the whole thing.
Where I burned my finger?
Yeah.
It's kind of mean.
Well, it's interesting.
I am going to have to find, we are going to have to do some, like a bloopers series. And I know one thing that's definitely going to make the bloopers.
Mm-hmm.
When I break the soldering iron.
Yep.
That'll make the bloopers. Matter of fact, what's the first thing Jackson said when he came in here today?
I don't know.
He noticed, well, yeah, that's right. You weren't in here.
Exactly.
He noticed that the, was a different soldering iron.
Oh, I remember hearing him say that.
He was like, where's your soldering iron at? I'm like,
Yeah.
I broke it. And he's probably thinking, how the hell did you break a soldering iron? I mean, really, there's not that much that can go wrong with them.
No. Unless you buy a $1 one like you did.
Yeah, that other one was like 30 bucks.
Wow. And still somehow you managed to break it.
It wasn't a real nice one though. It was just...
And earlier you said you might like that soldering iron that you have right now a bit better than the other one.
I do like it. Well, I like it and I don't like it. The thing I like is it gets real hot.
Okay, yeah.
The thing I don't like about it sometimes is it gets real hot.
Well, that doesn't make any sense.
Sometimes I like it real hot, and sometimes I don't. And it's always hot. You can't adjust it.
Alright, I'll be right back. I'm closing the door.
Okay.
Wow, that soldering iron makes a lot of smoke.
I know.
Smelled it as soon as I came in here.
I know. But
Either
we're
that.
ready to test it.
Yay. Wait, test what?
I'm just going to test all the lights.
Oh, at the same time?
No, not yet.
Darn it.
Just going to test all my wiring out.
Oh, I know what.
First, we're
Oh.
going to do the bottom row. Test all the lights on the bottom row. So get my alligator clip on.
Okay.
Pretty.
Okay.
Shiny.
Whoa, lit up too. Whoa.
Huh?
Lit up too. Is it supposed to do that?
No.
Uh-oh. We just now ran into our first problem.
Let's see. Why is that happening?
Well, if we don't figure it out by the end of the episode, and if you can explain it, please tell us. Here, turn it back around so I can get a zoom on it.
Oh, wait, I see the problem.
Oh, okay.
I think.
No.
Hang on. No, I don't see the problem. They're both lit again, huh?
Yeah. Well, I think so.
I think I might see a short circuit here.
It is. Wow.
It's right here.
We can call that an official problem. Official problemo.
So short circuit is not the end of the world. We can fix it.
How do you know it's not the end of the world? What if the world short circuits?
Okay, I think I found two short circuits. These solder joints are just so close together, it's difficult. Okay. Now, where was I? Was that the one that was lighting up too?
Yes. There was a space between the 2 8s, so
Okay, so now we're good.
yes. Good job. Okay. Good. Good. Good.
Okay, we'll move a row up.
Good. 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 Good.
Moving a row up.
Good. 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 Good.
Moving a row up.
Good. 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 Good.
And last row.
Good. 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 Good.
Alright, sweet.
So I guess we'll call that an episode.
That's an episode. All the LEDs are now, anodes and cathodes are wired up, and go ahead and get a shot here.
Alright.
Kind of explain what we're going to do for the next episode, if anybody's still watching.
Alright.
For the next episode, I'm going to hook up the Arduino. Finally, I'm going to tie, there's going to be 4 connections. 5.
We have a
1,
problem.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, never mind. Okay. And I have the lens cap on. Again, I forget to take it off.
Anyway, I got to hook up the Arduino inputs to these 5 rows here of the common cathodes, and then one to each of these anodes, and we're going to give it a shot. I'm not going to. The first test I'm going to do is just going to be to try to lighten all the LEDs up in sequence, and then I'll start working on the programming with the time. But I'm happy with how it's going so far. And before I finish, I'll straighten up some of these LEDs. And you might also notice I've also patched up some of my holes. They're you can see them real well under a light, but whenever it's like this, you can't really see them.
The camera can barely tell.
Yeah.
It might be easier to see on the screen, but...
You know, this is a prototype. I'm okay with a few minor flaws.
Yeah.
So, here we go. That's it.
Bye.
Okay, we're back, and now I'm hooking wires. This is tricky. Times where I need another hand.
Do you mind explaining what you're doing right now?
I'm just soldering wires to these to the LEDs. I don't have enough hands.
Would you like 2 more hands? Here. What do you mean to do?
Actually, I think I got it. Look, I can pull this little hand off here. Perfect.
Look at that. Magical.
Yeah, that actually works pretty well. Thanks for giving me a hand. I get it. not, this is difficult.
I have no response to that.
I'm trying to figure out an easy way to do it. I just don't know if there is one. I just keep messing with it till I get lucky.
Doesn't look like it's going to get much easier than that. Feet hurt from standing up on this chair.